America, we have a problem, and it starts with us. When you go to any large retail store across this nation, or you're shopping online for something, think about the products and where they're actually made. Think about the root problem of this nation that's currently facing with inflation through the roof. Why is that? One, it could be known that products are not domestically made and we're relying on other countries. I'm Colin Wayne, the founder and CEO of Redline Steel, the largest customizable steel manufacturer in this beautiful nation. And this is a new product that we just released. We have dozens of other products just as beautiful on our website, from customizable steel monograms to patriotic products just like you see in my hand. 15 years ago, I proudly enlisted in the military as a military police officer. And I'm proud today, after 3 combat tours, nearly getting killed in Afghanistan, to convey this message that it's time to support America and put America first. So if you want to do that and support a veteran-owned business made with products right here in the United States, click that link somewhere around this video. We look forward to working on your future order.